Good morning, Indonesia. It's Sunday, November 15, 2020. From the Studio 1, good to be with you. I'm Hafiyan. This is IDN News. The good news came from NASA. Their spacecraft called OSIRIS-REX has been successfully collecting materials from asteroid called Bennu. The successful sampling of the asteroid Bennu's surface by the OSIRIS-REX spacecraft, which preliminary showed touched the surface for 6 seconds before maneuvering away. When NASA's OSIRIS-REX spacecraft touched the surface of the asteroid on Tuesday to gather a sample of rocks and dirt, the operation proceeded smoothly to get to the glee of the mission's operator 200 miles away on Earth. On Wednesday, the mission managers released a video of the sampling mechanism hitting the surface of the asteroid. Within 3 feet or so of where the spacecraft had been aimed. Tante Loretta, the principal investigator of the mission, said, "I must have been watched about 100 times last night." In the video showed that NASA's spacecraft crossed the asteroid when touching its surface. But literally, we crossed it, Dr. Loretta said. This has been predicted by NASA before. Loretta said, "They have made a good mess because it's easier to pick up materials when it's in a small size. The calculation of the collected mass is to be complete by Monday." Dr. Loretta said, "If the measurements show more than 80 grams or almost 3 ounces, that will be enough. Scientists are hoping for at least a couple of ounces, but it could be more than 4 pounds. If by unlucky chance OSIRIS-REX came up short on Tuesday, it can try 2 more times. The next attempt will be at backup site named Osprey in January." The collection of the asteroid sample is the climax of the $800 million mission, which launched 4 years ago. The spacecraft has been making detailed observation of Bennu, a rock as wide as the Empire State Building is tall, for 2 years, mapping features of its surface as small as a couple of inches wide. It even discovered that Bennu was shooting debris from its surface into the space. The scientists chose Bennu for the mission because it's located out of the asteroid belt, and this kind of asteroid is more rich of carbon minerals, and scientists hope that will bring benefits for the human's life in the future. The asteroid is also being studied because its orbit could cause it to collide with Earth late in 22nd century. The likelihood of such an occurrence is low, and the asteroid is not large enough to end human civilization should it occur. OSIRIS-REX, the name is a shortening of Origin Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification Security, Recruit Explorer, is to leave the asteroid next year and drop off the sample, with the parachute to landing in Utah on September 24, 2023. I am and all of the crews of IDN TV say, have a wonderful day, see you next time, and bye-bye.